They are programming and trapping you. This is the rat race, bro. Like, it really hit me. I was thinking about it last night. I said, damn, when they like certain shit, you listen to and it comes back to you. You like it, it doesn't register at the time, right? So I'm thinking, I don't know why it popped in my head last night, but it popped in my head last night. The rat. Everybody's heard of the rat race, and y'all know the situation with me right now with the house and all that. And let me clarify something. I'm not here making videos. When I make videos about my house, my financial situation and all that, I talk about it just to be transparent. I can get up here and lie to y'all about, oh, I'm doing well, like everybody else does, but I don't. I just want to be transparent. I don't want it to come off like, I'm here like asking for pity or sympathy or help or nothing like that. I'm just being transparent about my situation, and I'm thinking out loud most of the time when I'm making these videos. If you haven't seen none of my videos, go to go click my profile and just watch some of the other videos. But back to this video. So I'm thinking about the word rat race last night, and it hit me. I said, damn, they got me. Like, they trapped me in the rat race. Like, they're programming and trapping you. That's the words that I'm really going with. They got me good, right? Because they don't actually hook you into it until they give you some serious debt, right? And I picked up the serious debt buying this house. When I bought this house, that is, like everybody said, above my pay grade, above my budget, but in all honesty, I had no other choice. The houses were not like cheaper. There was no house. I didn't buy too big of a house. You get what I'm saying? I have a family of 4, me and my 3 kids, right? Everybody needs a bedroom, right? That's 4 bedrooms, right? 2 bathrooms. So my house got 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's not like I got a big old mansion somewhere. No, I didn't. It's not like I live in the best neighborhood in the area. I don't. I live and it's not even the suburbs. It's not even the best neighborhood. It's decent. I live in a okay area. It's terrible on this side and it's cool on this side. That's literally where I live. So that's what was there. Like, that was the offer. That's literally, like, most of the houses. I could take you back to when I bought the house. Most of the houses was going for that much. Literally, single family houses. You weren't finding it for less than 400, right? I'll say 400, and 400 was in terrible neighborhoods. And then even then, we talking the listing price. The actual purchase prices were going for much higher. I had to make an offer $25,000 above asking price. It was listed at 420 or 423, and I had to. I won the bid. It was literally a bidding war. Everybody had to have a bidding war to buy a house at this time. I won the bid at 450. So it's just like that was the landscape. So it's not like I was aiming to pay much higher. I wasn't. That's just what was there. I had to go what was there. But bingo, what y'all was saying as far as real estate as an investment, I did realize that too, but I didn't look at it from this point of view. There is a good time to buy a house and a bad time to buy a house. That was a seller's market. Somebody mentioned that. Thank you for mentioning that, and it registered for me too. I forget who mentioned it in the comments, but you know who you are if you're watching this. I bought at a bad time. That was a seller's market. It wasn't a buyer's market, and that's why, boom, I got hit like that. And I bought at a time. Yeah, I don't want to keep going back to this. I bought at a time when interest rates was going up, and I got hit with a high interest rate. It's not as high as today's, but for that time period, it was pretty high. So I say that to say that's how they lock me into the rat race. I am in the rat race. That's why I be on YouTube complaining. Damn, things is too expensive. Right? Why? Because I don't have much of a expandable income, because my mortgage is super high. That's the only thing where I can't. You get what I'm saying? I can't control. It's not like switching a phone bill. Like, I can't. It's not like calling Verizon and saying, you know what, y'all charging me too much. I'm about to go to T-Mobile. There's none of that. You get what I'm saying? You locked in 30 years. You're going to pay these payments. Or roof gone, right? So I'm really thinking about it. Like, okay, this is the rat race. They program you. Yo, everybody buys house. You 30 now. You haven't bought a house. It's time to buy a house, right? This is what you're supposed to do. They don't tell you, yo, when you buy a house, make sure it's the right time. Make sure it's a buyer's market and not a seller's market. They don't tell you none of this. So, they program you with that. Boom, now you trapped in. Now we about to squeeze 80 plus hours a week out of you. We about to squeeze 60, 70 hours a week out of you. Now, we're going to hit you with little incidentals. Boom, the roof is leaking. Boom, the hot water heater is leaking. Washing machine is out. So these are just more money, more incidents, more money, right? And if you're lucky enough to get through all of that incidents and still be able to pay your mortgage for 30 years, you get to keep your house. But what would you bet on? Right? Somebody like me to be able to like get through that for 30 years and get it, or for the bank to be able to get every payment they can for the next however long until I have no more. I literally have no more to give, and they just take back the house. They've gotten their payments, they take the house, and boom, I'm stuck on the losing end, right? So, and then let's not even take in consideration the amount of stress, the health problems I'm probably gonna give myself trying to keep this up for the next 30 years, right? The high blood pressure because of the stress, the all the bills and so on. So it's just like this is the rat race. And they trap you with it with debt. That's all it is, right? Credit is king. That's what they say. Credit is king. Credit is king. Borrow, right? Borrow what you can. And that's the debt. That's you know what I'm saying? Those are the chains. So it's like the chain is getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And it's already hard out here. Everything is wild expensive already. You get what I'm saying? It's like everything is super expensive already. So these items and these things that we're yearning for, we're wanting, is the chains. Like we're putting the chains tighter and tighter on our necks, right? You can't escape it. So the only way to escape it is just want less, right? Don't take on the debt. Like not at least for personal. That makes sense for business situations, but for personal situations, it's just not good. So I just had to get that off to y'all, man. Like the rat race. You get what I'm saying? This is what they're doing. So if sometimes it's best to, when you come to these situations where you're thinking to yourself like, damn, it seems like I'm not making enough. Sometimes it's good to look at it and say, not let me make some more money, but let me want less things than I have. You get what I'm saying? Let me get rid of more things, because that's what's causing. Because it's like the idea of going to go make some more money is cool. I'm not against making more money. The idea behind it is just like you're giving so much more than the money could ever do for you. You cannot get your health back. You cannot get your time back. These are the things that you're gonna go give up when you say, let me go make some more money. Of course, there's other ways. There's exceptions to the rule, but that's the rat race though. It's items. Let me make more money, give up more time, more items, time, more. So you get what I'm saying? You just caught in that circle. I don't want to be caught in that circle. Man, I'm already working on the house situation. I'm gonna make another video on that, but I'm working on. I'm pretty much almost got 2 of the rooms in the basement rented out. Thank God. So which is gonna cut a lot of my expense, my mortgage expense out, which is good. Hopefully nothing else comes with renting rooms out to people. But I'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, that's the journey I'm on now, is kind of cutting down on what I have and what I want. Of course, yes, I do want to make money, but it's like I'm not gonna kill myself to make more money. I'm gonna do more with the time that I am using now. Like, so if I'm you know, doing the 40 hours, yeah, let me make more money within those 40 hours, but I'm not compromising more time, more freedom, and stressing more for more money, or to have like these you know, materialistic items and things that really don't mean nothing at the end of the day. So yeah, man, I just wanted to share that with y'all as far as the rat race, man. I was thinking about that last night. Yeah, man, I'm tired of getting programmed and trapped in this rat race, which I'm trapped in now. I'll let y'all in the next video, man. Peace.